But the forecast people will be happy about.
Exactly.
About that
That's
too.
what I'm saying. Like pros and cons,
Yes.
man. It all balances out. So we have got some sunshine for you. There have been a couple of clouds that have rolled in here just with the westerly wind flow in the wake of the frontal boundary that just came through. The one that, of course, brought in all of that really nasty weather yesterday. But for the most part, with high pressure in place right now, it looks good. So the wind is absolutely noticeable. Trust me, if you haven't stepped outside, you will notice it. But at least we've got some sunshine. At least you don't need an umbrella. We can find all sorts of positives to this here today. Taking a look at storm scan at the wider zoom, you can see all that's left at this point of the area of low pressure, and more specifically the front that did cross. It's well out to sea, but you see that little deck of clouds that try to roll in right on the bad edge of that area of low pressure, which is clearly off to the north, but that's where that is coming from. More than anything, high pressure is the theme here, and it lasts us right through all of tomorrow and tomorrow night. Now, come Sunday, things start to shift a little bit more. We see that transition begin to get underway. So this next front starts to approach. This is going to be an interesting little pattern that sets up here, because what looks like is about to happen is that, yeah, Sunday probably features a shower or thunderstorm, especially true the further north and west you travel, especially west, as this particular model would suggest. But once this front sags south, it's very likely that it's going to hang out for a handful of days here. So the rest of the 7-day is looking unsettled as a result. So expect it to stay dry today, expect it to stay dry tomorrow, but then those chances begin to creep up on us for wet weather to return as early as Father's Day. Though at this point, with a 4 in 10 shot at precip, I would not cancel any outdoor plans that you might have with your dad, but you do want to keep an eye on the sky, ears perked for thunder, that kind of thing. At the shore, though, you should actually end up with some pretty nice conditions. Now, if you look closely, you can actually see the shadows from the clouds rolling across the sand here on our Cape May shot. But it's very windy here. Looking closer, you can probably also tell there's a little jostling of the camera because it's so darn blustery outside. At least the sun is shining, even despite a handful of clouds that rolled through here. Again, on the back edge of that low. Wind gusts are, yeah, they're up there. You're into the 30s right now at Philly International, in Millville, in Atlantic City, and flirting with 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts currently up at Mount Pocono. So it is quite a blustery afternoon that's getting underway here, but the comfort, that's top notch. I mean, the dew points have dropped substantially in the wake of that front. They will begin to climb over the course of the weekend. I'd still say tomorrow's a really pleasant day, though. I will, over the next few days, tomorrow's the best day. It just is, because the wind dies down. You still maintain some nice comfort. Sunday, though, it gets a lot more humid out there. Our Summerfest graphic for you, sunny and breezy for you in Norristown for the rest of the day. Very comfortable afternoon. 76 is the called for high right now, but it gets a heck of a lot steamier in the days ahead. So tomorrow still looks like a gem. Yeah, the humidity's on the rise, but it's still pretty nice outside. Sunday, though, that is going to be a muggy day. And notice that that thunderstorm icon starts to crop up on a daily basis starting Monday and beyond, because that front's going to be pesky and nearby. So I'm not going to call any day a washout, but it unsettles the word.
At least the weekend is decent. We can hang on to that. All right, thank you, Katie.
Thank you, Katie.